Libraria allows you to manage all your translations in one place. To start working, create the new project and fill in all required fields such as project name, project description, and languages. Open the project to create the new term. Fill in the term key, add tags and term description. Add a translation for one or more languages and fill text in the selected language. You can generate translations and edit them with an integrated ChatGPT assistant. You can also add new languages to your project and create AI-generated translations in a few clicks. Configure the columns in the project, hide or reorder languages. Libraria allows you to publish all your translations in real time. Go to the Integrations tab in the project settings and click Integrate with GitHub. Then click Go to GitHub and install the Libraria GitHub application to your repository. Select a repository and click Install. Go back to Libraria and fill in the required fields such as GitHub username, repository name, base branch, and path template to translation files. Click Make Connection to finish. Then go back to the terms list and click Push to Git. Select an integrated repository and click Push. Go back to GitHub and check the created pull request. After checking, click Merge Pull Request. Your translations are ready. Go global faster. Try Libraria now.